my lord, check this out, the P.I.G. I've been trying to record it for as long as I can remember since the starting of this year, and I could not because, man, I know, and you know, I'm busy every single day. But, hey, listen, I got the chance before they turn it off. Check this baby out. What's up, Chief? I mean, look at the lights. And they do all kinds of stuff with that. It's just, yo, I mean, where else do you get this? I guess she's got all kinds of different patterns, man. Woo! Totally different, totally different. Please do not shut it down. I want to see the whole deal. Oh yeah, look at that. She does look pretty, man, even from the back. Woo, what's up, Chief? Look at that pretty thing. Them lights really stand out. I mean, everything. The Notorious P.I.G. What's up, Miss Piggy?
We do about 40 or 50 trucks a year.
All right. I guess I'm gonna stop recording that beast of a prettiest cattlepot I have ever seen in my life. As far as the lights go, she is damn pretty. But here besides me, with the lights off, is Troy's also a cattlepot. I mean, I cannot imagine the polishing job on this stuff just to maintain it the way it is. But then again, I mean, obviously these two beasts are not being used for any kinds of work, at least not now. Oh my God, if they would ever put that to work, man, that would be a shame. Don't ever put that to work. I don't know if it's new, if it's just polished, but just to keep it maintained the way it is, it just takes, man, that would be not my game. I'm sorry. Too much. But God bless you, Troy, man. Beautiful trucks, as always. Let's go around this beast since we are already here. Texas, baby. Yeah, I'll be there in 2 weeks. Staring my mouth into some Whataburger. Yeah, pretty. She is pretty. Both of them are pretty. Pretty trucks. But anyways, look at that. The end of the truck show. Chrome shop is already closed down. Look at that beautiful needle nose. And that's it. We shall end the night too as well. Right?
Yeah.
So go ahead. Is it remote controlled or?
I can do it in the cab or I can do it right here.
See, I love that green light. It's amazing. It's just like the P.I.G. Not a P.I.N.G, but a P.I.G.
Yeah. Hold on, here. Let me take
Come on, she looked pretty anyway. Oh, look at that. You got the floor finish too.
white light.
Nah, you good. It's beautiful. A little teddy bear.
Look at the headrest. Kenworth logo with what?
I did not even notice that. If you wouldn't, yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. But do you? I mean, is this thing ever used, or is it just the truck shows?
I work this every day. I pull this several times a month.
Yeah, but I've seen it. You opened it up, and it's always clean.
I put the kids in there and make them clean it.
But it's immaculate job. I mean, this is a truck show finish work.
We don't skip on nothing when it comes to truck shows.
So, I mean, you use this, what, 5 days a week? It's being used, correct?
Truck gets used 5 days a week. This gets used probably a handful of times a month. Depending on the job, I might use it more or less.
And that's her name, God Deer, right?
Yep.
I mean, this is totally different. You don't really see that, you know? What year is this?
15.
Really?
Good to take it. You can turn them on so you can see everything good.
No, it's beautiful.
Kid, just flip that inside under white.
And you guys operate mostly out of where?
I'm Western Maryland.
Maryland, right? Man, you have to do it now. Nice, nice. And it's everything is, look at that, remote control, baby. Lights up like a Christmas tree.
Hi, Zach. Hi.
Nice, man. And on the back too as well, or? I like the color change, man. That totally changes everything. Makes it very unique. Makes it your own. Check out this guy. So this is how it's done, huh?
Yep.
Okay, I'm learning something.
This is how I load the cab over onto my trailer too. Put it on a Lando and back it on the Lando and then drive it on because I want the cab to the front on when I haul.
I got you.
Because otherwise the back of the cab's all open.
And she's on it. Simple as that. So I guess they lift it up in order to move it. Yeah, drag it out. And look at that. Mr. Mitchell is controlling it. I get he's done it before, right?
Look at the brake components. There's no paint. See the brake pads?
It's all gonna be yours.
Look at this shit.
it's some of the details that I would not even realize.
And I'm like, fucking, like, this is gonna go up. I'm gonna have to repaint the whole fucking car. And that's the suspension's getting gone, fuel tank's gone, tender's gone, it's all.
What is it, Johnson Hills Customs?
Yeah.
Johnson Hills
We're
Customs.
tearing this thing down.